Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix soft top wind noise on a Honda S2000. You're definitely going to want to try this out if your soft top wind noise is alleviated by simply pulling down strongly on the soft top while driving on the highway. You see, as the S2000 soft top components age and wear, they can develop a slight bump between the windshield seal and the soft top, which disrupts the airflow from the windshield and causes noise. In order to fix this disruption, you need to lower the soft top so it sits as flush as possible with the windshield seal. The way to fix this permanently is to lower the soft top latching location by using some spacers. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is remove the A-pillar trim on both sides of the car by carefully prying back the top of the trim and then pulling it toward yourself and outwards. Next, remove the sun visors on both sides of the car by using a T25 tamper-proof Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver. Now we have to remove the dome light assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the dome light cover off in the two recessed locations. Then use an 8mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two bolts holding it in place. Carefully pry the dome light assembly from the windshield and undo the wire harness connection. You can now remove the soft top strikers by removing the two screws holding each one in place with a No. 3 Phillips head screwdriver. Now you want to install the soft top strikers with longer screws and a couple washers. I use M6 by 1.0 screws that were 25mm long and 2/4 inch flat washers for each screw. Depending on how severe your wind noise is, you may want to play with the number of washers to adjust the height accordingly. Use a No. 3 Phillips head screwdriver to finally install the soft top strikers with the washers sitting between the striker and the windshield. Reinstall the dome light assembly by plugging in the dome light wiring harness and popping the assembly into place. Then use an 8mm socket or Phillips head screwdriver to install the two bolts that hold it in place. Once the assembly is installed, pop the dome light cover in place. Reinstall the sun visors on both sides of the car by sliding them into place and fastening them with a T25 tamper-proof Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver. Lastly, reinstall the A-pillar trim on both sides of the car by sliding them into place at an angle like so. Push on the upper part of the trim to clip them into place. Once everything is back together, the windshield seal and soft top should sit flush just like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and leave a comment for any DIY you'd like to see in the future.